4 Illinois sheriffs, including those in Ogle and Stevenson counties, file a lawsuit against Illinois' Attorney General. It's over the Trust Act.
The law restricts the ability of law enforcement officers to coordinate with federal officials regarding the custody of illegal aliens. Alexis Carpello joins us now. And Alexis, the sheriffs believe the law makes it harder for deputies to do their job.
Eric and Mimi, former McHenry County Chief Administration Officer David Devan tells me just 3 days into the trust being enacted in 2017, the McHenry County Sheriff was sued. The 4 officers say not only does the act make their job difficult, it puts the public at risk.
But under the Illinois Trust Act, we must choose between Washington, D.C. and Springfield as to whom to obey. It's impossible, it hasn't worked, and it's not getting any better.
4 sheriffs file a federal lawsuit to stop enforcing the Illinois Trust Act. Ogle County Sheriff Brian Van Vickle and Stevenson County Sheriff David Snyders were 2 of the 4 taking action. On the receiving end of the lawsuit, Illinois Attorney General Kwame Raoul.
We have found it increasingly difficult to reconcile its demands with contrary demands from the federal government.
The sheriffs say that the act prohibits local law enforcement from detaining people based on their immigration status without a warrant. Ogle County Sheriff Brian Van Vickle says that makes for murky waters on how police should act.
The Trust Act makes us unable to give clear instruction to our deputies and correctional staff on how to handle certain situations. It should surprise no one that the result has been a flurry of lawsuits.
The Illinois Attorney General's office stands by the Trust Act, saying it, quote, reflects the values of Illinois residents and serves to build relationships between law enforcement agencies and immigrant communities, instead of spreading fear. Sheriffs Van Vickle, Snyders, and Prim have all been sued for alleged violations of the act. ACLU and 2 other advocacy groups sued Stevenson and Ogle County sheriffs in 2019.
This is just an effort to justify ongoing violations of this law that was duly passed and enacted by representatives of the state of Illinois. These 4 sheriffs have decided that they can disagree with a law that is passed by the legislature and signed into effect by the governor, and that they can just ignore what the law says. That isn't the way the system works.
An action leading to the lawsuit was a policy switch made by the State Corrections Department. Ogle County Sheriff says it allows felons into Illinois communities instead of holding facilities to review immigration status.